Today, we'll be showing you how to easily utilize My Files. My Files is an area to store, manage, and reorder custom print products. There are multiple access levels, including admin, upload and order only. Today, we will go through the order only experience. Once you've logged in, move your cursor to My Files at the top of the page and click to continue there. Here in the showroom, you'll find approved folders. Click on a folder or select Catalog at the top to see more options. All approved products are uploaded and configured by your admin. For this demonstration, we'll use the Approved Copies product. Click Order. On the right of the page, a tool will open. Select your quantity and click Add to Cart. This will put the order into your cart. Next, click Proceed to Checkout and follow the prompts. And you're done. Thanks so much for using ODP.